Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log in to Google Classroom. Whether you are using your mobile device or your tablets or even your desktop, this tutorial is easy to follow. First of all, open up your Google Classroom application, or you may also visit the official website for Google Classroom. I'm just gonna go with the app today. After opening up the app, you will see a Get Started button. Tap on that. Now, you will then need to enter your Google account sign-in credentials. Type down your email address or phone number in the text box and tap Next. On the next page, you'll need to write down your password for your Google account. Type down your correct password for your Google account that you've chosen and then tap on the Next button once again. Allow necessary permissions and then you will be logged into your Google Classroom account. All you need is your Google account's credentials and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.